In this video, we will see how we can create CR parameter using Autodesk Revit. We are just creating a new project here using mechanical template. You can use other templates also. First, we have to go to the Manage tab, and here you will see there are three options for parameters: project parameter, CR parameter, and global parameter. We already covered how to create project parameter and global parameter in other videos. So let's click on the CR parameter. See, a pop-up is coming. The CR parameter file doesn't exist. Whenever we delete the CR parameter text file or move the CR parameter text file, this pop-up will appear. So just close. See, edit CR parameter. Here all the options are grayed out except this browse and create. This browse is for selecting CR parameter text file from the computer. Here we cannot create any txt file. See, only open option is there. Just cancel and create. Here we can create a txt file. Just name it as test and save. See, a test.txt file is created in my desktop. Now we can create multiple parameters inside this txt file. Parameter option is still grayed out, so we have to create our group first. We are just creating three groups. One is for electrical, another for mechanical, and another for common. Now creating a new parameter under electrical group, that is conduit length. Creating a new parameter under mechanical group, that is duct size. We can check the properties also: name, discipline, and data type. Creating another parameter under mechanical group, that is equipment number. And changing its data type to text. Let's create a parameter under common group also, that is building number, changing its data type to text. Now we can see all the options are here, nothing is grayed out. We can also move the parameter from one group to another. For example, just click on building number, click on move, and scroll down to electrical. See, nothing is here in common. And if you go to the electrical, here building number is, and changing its group to common again. Now if you see the properties browser, no parameter is added in the project till now. We have to add this one by one. So let's create a duct here and also create a conduit. Conduit is not visible here, so let's turn on temporary view, and from visibility graphics settings just check conduit and OK. Now our conduit is here. Change its detail level to fine also. Now to add a parameter, we generally do a common mistake, that is we simply go to the CR parameter and we try to add it, but this will not add parameters to our project. So we have to go to the project parameter, click on new parameter, select CR parameter and select. Here we have to choose the parameter and we have to choose the category here. See, Duct size parameter is added to our duct. In similar way, we can add parameters to our conduit also. See, conduit length is here. In this way, we can create share parameter using Autodesk Revit. If this video is helpful to you, please like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.